Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy Insan. Today we're diving into the exciting world of generative AI and exploring tools that are reshaping the way we create content. Whether you're a writer, designer, video editor, or marketer, generative AI tools can supercharge your creativity. Let's break it down step by step. Generative AI refers to tools that use artificial intelligence to create content. They analyze patterns, learn from data, and generate new content, be it text, images, videos, or even music. For example, think of ChatGPT, which writes essays or scripts, or tools like MidJourney, which creates stunning images from just a few words. These tools are like having a creative partner who never gets tired. Let's start with text. If you're a writer or a blogger, tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Copy.ai can save hours of brainstorming and drafting. Say you're writing a blog post about sustainable living. With just a prompt like 10 tips for sustainable living, ChatGPT can draft an article for you. You can tweak it to match your style, but the heavy lifting is already done. Pro tip: always review and personalize the content to make it authentic and unique to your voice. Next, we have visual tools. These are perfect for designers and social media creators. Canva, already a favorite for many, Canva now integrates AI to suggest designs, create layouts, and even auto-generate captions. MidJourney and DALL-E, these tools take it up a notch. You can type something like a futuristic cityscape at sunset and get stunning, high-quality artwork in seconds. Imagine you need a unique thumbnail for your YouTube video. Instead of hiring a designer, you can create one with MidJourney in minutes. The results? Professional and eye-catching. Video creation is often time-consuming and resource-heavy, but AI tools are changing the game. InVideo lets you create professional videos using templates. You can turn scripts into videos, add animations, and even AI-generated voiceovers. Runway ML is great for video editing. It can remove backgrounds, upscale video quality, and even generate custom visuals. Pictory is perfect for transforming blog posts into engaging videos. Just paste your article link and Pictory does the rest. Imagine you're a teacher creating educational content. Pictory can convert your lesson plans into videos, complete with visuals and voiceovers in just minutes. For podcasters and audio creators, tools like Adobe Podcast and Descript are game changers. Adobe Podcast enhances audio quality and removes background noise automatically. Descript lets you edit audio just by editing the transcript. It's like editing a Word document, but for sound. If you recorded a podcast and made a mistake, Descript's overdub feature can fix it seamlessly by mimicking your voice. Now, a quick word of caution. While these tools are powerful, it's important to use them ethically. Always credit sources when needed. Don't pass off AI-generated content as purely your own without proper disclosure. Remember, these tools are here to assist, not replace human creativity. So there you have it, a quick tour of some of the best generative AI tools for creating content. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools can help you work smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TSI. And let us know in the comments, which tool are you most excited to try? See you next time.